Today I'm going to be drilling a hole in another sprocket for my go-kart. It's right here and I'm ready to start. It's very hot. Huh. That's strange. Well, that's not working. And plan B is to use a plasma cutter. I'm not going to be cutting it with the plasma cutter because the light's very bright and it blinds a lot of people on the screen, so I'm going to do it off camera. Alright, just finished plasma cutting the sprocket. It's not perfect, but the drill will get it more perfect. Well, unfortunately, plan B did not go well either, so I have to resort to plan C. And plan C is going to resort to a die grinder. So this is hardened steel. It's pretty hard. That's why my drill press can't really drill through the metal because it's been heat treated. But this tip right here is stainless steel, and if it's harder than this, it should be able to grind this away no problem, which I hope. So after a very long time of grinding it, I finally got a big enough hole out of the sprocket where I can finally fit it over the axle like this. It's not a perfect fit, there's still a little bit of wiggle room, but that's okay because I have this weldable wheel hub on, and then I just have to center the sprocket on the wheel hub and just weld it, and then problem solved. Here is the finished product. I have the sprocket welded onto the weldable hub, and here is the customized sprocket right there. That sprocket is super small, but when I put it on and actually go, it's going to make me go super fast, which is going to be good. I just wanted to give you a quick update on my progress on my go-kart so far, and I also wanted to tell you that for my next video, I will be installing the steering system and the steering wheel. That's what I have planned for the next video, so stay tuned and have a good one.